Hi guys, this is Owen and welcome to another travel vlog. Have you ever experienced connecting in one of the worst airport in the world? Manila's Ninoy Aquino International Airport has three active terminals and they're all widespread. Today, let us navigate how we will make it to our domestic connecting flight within Terminal 2. So I came from General Santos City via PAL and will be connecting to Cebu on another Philippine Airlines flight. I took the flight from General Santos City via PAL using their Airbus A330 aircraft, and our aircraft was parked at Terminal 1 since the aircraft will be utilized for an international flight. We were then bussed straight to the arrival area. But now let's enjoy some plane spotting while we are routed to Terminal 2. For passenger connecting to an international flight via Philippine Airlines or its partner and your luggages are checked through to your final destination, it will be easier. So once you arrive at the arrival area, there are staff guiding you for a free shuttle to Terminal 1. Once we arrived at Terminal 2, Arrival Hall, there are signages for passengers connecting to Terminals 1 and 3. Now, since my bags are checked through all the way to Cebu, we will only just head straight to the departure area. Once you exit the arrival area, look for the escalator. All you have to do is go up to the departure level and then present your ID and your boarding pass to the security staff so you can enter the building. and then you'll reach the check-in area. But in my situation, there's no need to check in again since I got my boarding pass printed in General Santos City. So let's just head straight to the security checkpoint. Just a tip, when you bring any devices such as laptop or tablets, have them ready in the provided container prior to be scanned. And as of the moment, Manila Airport does not require you to take off your shoes unlike in the past. So in less than 5 minutes, I already reached the gates area and I just checked the flight information screen to check my boarding gate for my flight going to Cebu. So with my domestic connecting flight experience with PAL here in Manila, I was able to reach the gate in 23 minutes from the time we disembarked the aircraft. It was such a smooth transfer. By the way, as of November 2024, all domestic flights except Cebu Pacific will now operate at Terminal 2, so expect it's gonna get busier. Here at Terminal 2, there are restaurants, shops, airline lounges for PAL customers. So I believe Terminal 2 is way better compared to Terminal 3 for the domestic experience. Anyway, see you on my next travel. I hope you've learned something from this vlog and it will help you on your next travel to Manila or if you're connecting within Terminal 2. Stay safe, everybody, and see you on my next vlog. Bye.
Very good, perfect.